my beautiful friends. Welcome. I have a very important announcement today. I found my natural habitat. A $1.2 million yacht painted in blue crystal. A color that's so rich, it filed taxes in Monaco. When I walked up to this yacht, I swear it acknowledged me. The paint shimmered like it knew I was someone who appreciates imported luxury and overpriced candles. It wasn't just a boat. This was a statement piece. A floating diamond and seafaring supermodel. So Brett, very handsome, chic-looking Brett, or so I called him, the keeper of the yacht, asked if I would like a tour. And of course I said yes. Brett, darling, I didn't dress in my Vero Beach best for nothing. He then proceeded to give me the grand tour that only royalty deserves. When I sat in the captain's seat, I felt a shift. Something ancient, something noble, something financially elite. I became the woman I was born to be. Admiral Jean of the Blue Crystal Dynasty. My posture was perfect. My confidence unshakable. My imaginary trust fund overflowing. This boat had so many compartments, I started wondering if it had a mortgage. Every single place I touched, click, click, there was storage. A seat cushion, storage. A step, storage. A tiny panel I wasn't even supposed to touch, still more storage. I told Brett, sweetheart, if I open one more compartment and find a walk-in pantry, I'm moving aboard permanently. These seats were so luxurious, I felt my credit score rise when I sat down. They were made of the finest leather I've ever seen. I instantly became the woman who uses the word summer as a verb. I summer on my blue crystal yacht. Now listen, for $1.2 million, I expect at least a brie wheel or maybe a baguette or someone named Pierre feeding me grapes. But no, not a single artisanal cheese in sight. Very tragic. Even criminal. My friends, this yacht may not be in my driveway right now. Technically, I don't have a boat driveway. But spiritually, emotionally, and energetically, it's mine. And until it physically arrives, I will continue manifesting like the bougie queen that I am. Be sure to watch till the end because I have a demonstration of the boat coming up. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because next time, we're touring the boat with a charcuterie board and wine and champagne. Now, that's luxury, my friends. Let's continue to the boat. Hello, everyone. We're here at Vero Beach and we're at the boat show. So come with me. It's a glorious day here today. Look at those gorgeous clouds, right? Boy, I tell you, this is the place to be if you're looking for a boat. Hi, Belle. Hi. Everybody's got their stuff out here. I love the American flags flying. They're flying high, honey. Let me get a little closer to this one. Let's get a close-up. This is the place to be if you're looking for a boat. Oh, look at this one. That's a beautiful boat. Look at the engines. Look at a side view. Wow.
Great boat. Yeah. Cabin on that side, and then walk through the boat. Come take a look.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I don't want to interrupt.
Look at the engine. Oh, my goodness. And those propellers. We're going to go up and get a good view on the inside of the boat. Oh my goodness, I feel honored. My name is Jean.
Hey, Jean.
And
Brett.
I have a YouTube channel. Nice to meet you,
Good
Brett.
to meet you.
Okay.
No, you've got storage here, or your fridge here.
Oh, look at that. There's a fridge down there.
Yep. And then grill, your sink.
Look at that. You have your own sink and the grill to cook?
Yep. It's electric.
Wow. And what's this over here?
It's just storage.
Oh, okay.
A prep center.
Awesome, awesome. Now, are you selling this? Look at the top.
Sweet boat.
Thanks.
Very nice boat.
Thanks for coming on.
Wow. I love the color of the boat, Brett, from the outside, that blue. What is that blue called?
Blue crystal.
Blue crystal. Okay, so we got a view of the outside. Now we're going to go in the cockpit. Look at that. And it's all, oh, it smells new. Look at that. Oh, woo!
But under here is your head.
Wow. Look at that, guys.
And then under this side, you got your cabin.
This is the cabin, everyone. I'm talking like I know what I'm talking about, right? This is the cabin. You sleep in there.
So it's all air conditioned.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's the AC or heat.
Oh, my
This
word.
gets really cold in here when you run, and if say you get into bad weather, you can close this part.
Okay.
Slide the door. Slide the door over, and then shut this, and now you're totally isolated inside.
Wow.
Or if you want to keep it open and run, you got plenty of room.
Okay, let's get a picture of the front there. Oh, look at that. There's a table to have your wine and your cheese. Oh, this is living large. Everyone, this is living large right here. Brad, the only thing that's missing is the wine and the cheese.
I know.
If you guys were here, you should smell this leather. Smells brand new, and it is so soft and just absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Brad, I'm not even gonna ask what this boat cost, okay?
I'll tell you if you want.
Look at this man. Does he look like a boat person? Nice picture of you, Brad.
It retails for $1,020,000.
$1 million. Everyone, listen to this. Brett is gonna tell us what it costs.
It's $1,020,000.
You heard it from his mouth, okay? You got $1,020,000. You come on down here to Vero Beach. Now, this is the driver's seat over here.
Yep. So Chris Craft, the wheel, the Chris Craft always stays in the middle like the Rolls Royce.
Wow. Now, this is the Rolls Royce of boats. Now, I'm going to step over here so we can... Is that the compass?
It is the compass. So
Oh,
you got
look,
a compass. You can control all of your lights.
Wow, I know something. That's a compass.
Yeah. So we can change the color of all the lights on the boat.
Look at the light up there. You can change that color to make it whatever you want it to be. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can just imagine being out underwater on this boat. Yes. And look at this. I'm going to sit here and get a picture over here. Look at that. I'm in the driver's seat. Oh, and I thought a Mercedes was living large. Honey, you haven't seen large yet. Okay. Brad, thank you so much. Look at that. Oh, yes. Brad, do you have a business card?
I do.
Okay, well, we're going to get a picture of the business card.
Just give it to you. There you go.
And we're going to take a picture of it just in case if anyone has. This is the business card right here. Let me get it close up. There. You have his number, and you see what a good-looking man he is. Yes, he's in the boat business.
Thanks. Yeah.
Okay.
So we work from Palm Beach all the way to Melbourne is our area.
We're from up north,
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're up north.
Connecticut.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, you need a Chris Craft.
I know, right? Gorgeous day for a
It's
boat
a great
show.
boat show.
Yeah. Let me show them these engines.
Okay.
These are the outboard engines. Look how huge. Brad, how many horsepowers are on these engines? 400 each? Wow. 400 horsepower each. Now that's got some speed in it.
Yeah, the boat will go almost 60.
Okay. Well, Brad, it was nice to meet you.
Great to
dear.
meet you. Thanks for
And
coming in.
Thank you
Checking
very
out the
much.
boat.
And I will send some customers your
Yeah,
way.
do it. If you know of anybody. They build from 24 feet to 35 feet. So
Okay, so they build them for you as well?
Chris Craft, and the factory's in Sarasota. It's all
Okay.
custom. They're customizable. We can paint the boats any color. We can custom match your car to your boat.
Wow. Now, yes,
Yeah.
that is living large, Brent. Okay, everyone, you've seen and heard it for yourself. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you, everyone. Say bye to
Bye.
Brad.
Have a good one.